So we wanted to redesign our trophy, and we wanted to make sure that it wasn't just an example of good design, but it also was a product that people were going to be proud of, and it had a sustainability message baked into it. Pretty challenging design project to design a design award.
The teams and the designers that have worked on these projects have worked so hard it almost felt disrespectful not to present them with something that was great design itself.
Sustainable design is now built into everything, so we wanted to make sure that we had a trophy that embodied that message.
So Clandestine Design Group's main role in this project was the industrial design partner. Initially we realised it was going to be a massive challenge. Had to have it Australian made. We had to have it made out of recycled material, and if that's not possible then the materials need to be recyclable. The design of this trophy was a considerable design journey. We started off with 50 concepts. We narrowed those down to 20. Those 20 were visualised in CAD and CGI renders. From those 20 we further narrowed it down to 6, and those 6 were sent out to the manufacturing sector for appraisal and audit. This project allowed us as a design team to re-engage with Australian manufacturing and really test out what we can achieve. We wanted to prove that you could develop a beautiful, iconic product using a circular economy initiative.
The basic principles of designing for a circular economy is that you want the materials and the systems and the manufacturing processes to be as circular as possible, that they go round and round, and essentially that's what we try to embed in the design of this new trophy.
So we basically wanted to demonstrate that recycled plastic could be used in really high-end products.
The trophies are made with compression moulding, which is quite a unique process. Plastic waste comes into the building. We then wash and sort it into the different colours. We then shred the plastic waste into a raw material. We then load this into a mould. With heat and pressure, it's squished into a part, and then that part then gets assembled with the tick to form the trophy. And with all that involved, they truly are a handmade creation.
So creating something that's going to go out to all the top designers in Australia is definitely a bit of a daunting task. We went to a huge amount of effort to make sure the finishes on this trophy are really flawless.
So we were really hoping that this trophy could showcase how good a sustainable material can look, and we'd really encourage designers and innovators to choose sustainable materials to support this blossoming industry.
It's the brief we were set was to package the Good Design Awards. Packaging informs consumption. It tells you how to value the object.
I was really excited to work on it so we could develop an unboxing experience that was really lending dignity to the design of the trophy. It really championed it and sort of put it on a pedestal in a way.
We explored a whole bunch of different gesturings, so ways in which the boxes are opened, and for that we found some rich territory in champagne packaging. Its simplicity and its elegance. We're not mixing materials, we're keeping it recyclable and sustainable. It's sourced in a really low intensity way, and they're all demonstrated within the physicality of it.
I want them to feel proud in receiving this trophy.
Pride that they're in this really rich community.
I want them to feel proud. I want them to feel recognised.
Because it embodies all the good design principles that they themselves have used in their own projects for which they received the accolade.
I would love people to pick this trophy up and just go, I am so ridiculously proud to be a designer.